In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OpenAL32.dll Missing. So first thing you want to do is you want to go tap in CMD, then right click and then run as administrator. Over here, you want to run the command here, DISM, let me just paste it. So this is the false, this is the wrong one. The first command is dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then press enter. The second command sfc/scan now. Now you have to wait for a few minutes for this one to finish, and once it's done, you can close this down. Now try restarting your computer and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then you want to go here and open Google Chrome. Here you want to tap in OpenAL32.dll download. Go to this website, and here you want to download the version according to your system. So there's 32-bit, 64-bit. So if your computer is running 64-bit, see mine here is running 64-bit. It's 64-bit. So you're gonna choose the 64-bit. So I'm just gonna choose this one, then click download. Once installation is done, now you can open the downloaded folder, extract it, and then open inside and put this aside here. Now go to this PC, C drive, and then go to Windows. Down here you will see System32. Go to System32, and down here you want to just drag this folder inside. So just grab and drag it like this and click continue. Then you want to go back and go inside syswow64, and then you want to do the same thing. So just grab it and drag it like this and then click continue. So if you are a 32-bit user, your computer is a 32-bit version, then you only need to drag it inside of System32. If you are like using, like me, 64-bit computer, then you have to drag it in this file and in this file. Then once you're done, you can close this down and see if this fixes your issue. You can try restarting your computer. If you're still having issues, then your last resort is to download the Windows package. So if you go here and type in MS C++ redistribution download, and go to the Microsoft official page and download the latest version of Visual C++. So you'll see the latest version over here. You need to download the x86 and x64. So this is for both 32 and 64-bit. You're gonna have to download both of them and install both of them. So to install, you just run the installer, click install. Do the same thing to the other one, run the installer and just click install. And this should hopefully fix your issue. After you do this, try also to restart your computer.